In this video, we will talk about CPU in the PC. The CPU is the brain of your computer. Every click, every game, and every program runs through it. But when you look to buy one, the names can be confusing, especially with AMD. What's the difference between a Ryzen 3, 5, 7, and 9? In this video, we're going to break down the entire AMD lineup as simply as possible, so you know exactly which processor fits your budget and your needs. Let's get started. Before we talk about Ryzen processors specifically, let's quickly understand what a processor actually does. Think of the processor, also known as the CPU, as the brain of your computer. Every time you open a program, play a game, browse the internet, edit a video, or even move your mouse, the processor is handling instructions behind the scenes. A faster and more powerful processor can handle more tasks at the same time and complete them more quickly. Now let's look at AMD's Ryzen lineup. Understanding the Ryzen family, AMD organizes its processors into four main categories: Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7, and Ryzen 9. You can think of them as different performance levels. As the number increases, you generally get more power, more multitasking ability, and better performance for demanding workloads. Let's break them down one by one. Ryzen 3, the entry-level choice. Ryzen 3 processors are designed for everyday users. If your main activities include browsing the web, watching YouTube, using Microsoft Office online classes, video calls, and light gaming, then Ryzen 3 can be a great choice. These processors are affordable and efficient. They provide enough performance for basic tasks without costing too much money. Think of Ryzen 3 as a reliable family car. It gets you where you need to go without any problems, but it's not built for racing. If you're building a budget PC or buying a computer for school or office work, Ryzen 3 is often enough. Ryzen 5, the sweet spot. Next, we have Ryzen 5. This is often considered the best value option in the entire Ryzen lineup. Ryzen 5 processors are powerful enough for gaming, streaming, multitasking, photo editing, video editing, programming, and everyday productivity. For most people, Ryzen 5 offers the perfect balance between performance and price. It's like owning a sports sedan. It's faster, more capable, and can handle much more than a basic car while still being practical. In fact, many gamers choose Ryzen 5 processors because they deliver excellent gaming performance without spending too much money. If you're not sure which Ryzen processor to buy, Ryzen 5 is usually the safest choice. Ryzen 7, for power users. Now let's move up to Ryzen 7. These processors are designed for people who need more performance. This includes content creators, video editors, streamers, 3D artists, professional multitaskers, and serious gamers. Ryzen 7 processors can handle demanding workloads much more comfortably than Ryzen 5. Imagine editing a large video project while browsing the internet and chatting with friends all at the same time. A Ryzen 7 processor can handle that with ease. Think of Ryzen 7 as a high-performance sports car. It's built for people who want extra speed and capability. For gamers who also stream their gameplay or create content, Ryzen 7 is often an excellent option. Ryzen 9, the flagship lineup. At the top of the Ryzen family sits Ryzen 9. These are AMD's most powerful mainstream processors. Ryzen 9 is built for professionals and enthusiasts who need maximum performance. Tasks that benefit from Ryzen 9 include professional video production, 3D rendering, animation software development, scientific workloads, virtual machines, and heavy multitasking. Ryzen 9 processors can handle extremely demanding projects that would take much longer on lower-tier CPUs. Think of Ryzen 9 as a supercar. It's incredibly powerful, But not everyone needs that level of performance. If your daily activities are mostly gaming, web browsing, and schoolwork, Ryzen 9 may be more power than you actually need. What about gaming? A common question is, do I need Ryzen 9 for gaming? The answer is usually no. Many modern games run perfectly on Ryzen 5 processors. Ryzen 7 provides additional performance and can be useful for streaming or running multiple applications while gaming. Ryzen 9 can certainly deliver excellent gaming performance, but its biggest advantages appear in professional workloads rather than gaming alone. For most gamers, Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 offers the best value. How to choose the right Ryzen processor. Here's a simple guide. Choose Ryzen 3 if you mainly browse the internet, study, watch videos, and perform basic tasks. Choose Ryzen 5 if you want a balanced PC for gaming, productivity, and everyday use. Choose Ryzen 7 if you create content, stream, edit video. If you have any question, you can write it in the comments and I will reply to you. Goodbye.